These are tangram shapes. There are 7 shapes in a complete set. 5 of them are triangles, and they're all right-angled triangles. Then we also have a square, and we have a parallelogram. One of the ways in which we can use the shapes is to arrange them in a way to make a composite shape. We can choose to do that using a spinner that will help us to select the shapes that we'll use. So when I spin it, I landed on the large triangle. Now I can continue to spin as many times as I want to decide how many of the individual tens that I will use. Let's say I spun and I got a parallelogram, and I also landed on the small triangles twice. What I'll do now is I will choose a way to arrange the tangram shapes to create a composite image. In this case, I've made something that kind of looks like a fish. Now I have a partner who's also been using the exact same shapes. My partner has created a different image. In this case, it looks like a house. Now what we can do is we can compare our composite images. One way in which they are different is that the triangle has been turned from one composite compared to the other one. We also can see that one way in which they're the same is that the 2 small triangles are touching different sides of the parallelogram. And this is one way in which we can use tangrams to create composite shapes that we can compare.